How to turn off predictive text on Android. Now in order to turn off the predictive text on Android, you just simply need to open your settings app and after that scroll down until you see the option of general management. Now after finding out general management, simply open it and from here you will get to see the option of Samsung keyboard settings or any of the other devices that you are using. Just simply open the keyboard settings in there. After that, you will get to see the predictive text at the very top. Tap to predictive text and you will see all of the languages that you have enabled in your keyboard. You just simply need to disable the toggle for the languages where you would like to disable the predictive text. Let me disable the predictive text for both of these languages, and like this you can very easily turn off the predictive text on Android phone. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.